welcome to our Hong Kong vlog. So we are celebrating Kuya Travis's 7th birthday, kaya extra special. We are going to Hong Kong for 4 days and 3 nights. This was back in August. Ngayon ko lang siya na-upload. So, ayun, very excited ang mga kids na makasakay ulit ng airplane. And thank you as well kay Papa G kasi ang ganda ng panahon on our visit. So, hindi kami nahirapan or whatnot at napaka-smooth ng flight namin going there. So, in advance, I actually booked a private transfer from airport to hotel. So, paglapag namin sa airport, naghihintay na doon yung private car, which is very cool kasi it's a Tesla and napakaganda ng color. So, nakita nyo naman yung mga kids, na-excite na sila agad kasi ito yung bumungad sa amin, di ba? Amazing. So, ayun nga, I would suggest for you to book a private car kung meron kayong kids kasi, alam mo yun, galing sa travel ng flight, tapos ang hassle if magte-train or bus na meron kayong luggages and all. So, napaka-convenient ng private car. And aside from that, you get to see these amazing views, right? Kasi iba pa rin yung view kapag car ride instead of train or bus. But yeah. So, ayun nga, ang hotel namin is located at Tsim Sha Tsui. Tama yan, TST, California Hotel. I also booked this sa Klook as well. So very small lang yung room, but it's perfect for us. It's a triple room with 2 beds and shower. Kasi dito lang naman kami matutulog. Actually, sulit na siya in a sense. Hindi namin kailangan ng bonggang hotel for this day. Ayun, and first thing we did was to eat, of course, kasi galing biyahe. And sa mga napanood ko sa vlogs, ito yung sinuggest nila to try, yung Quezon roasted goose. And it's very good. We liked it. Ang dami lang niya masyado for us. Hi! So our first stop is Hong Kong Science Museum kasi our flight was Wednesday and I found out online na on Wednesdays, Hong Kong Science Museum is free for everyone. So nakita niyo din ang daming tao. And of course, we took advantage of it kasi walking distance lang to sa hotel namin. And that's actually a perk of having your hotel sa TST area kasi ang daming places na walking distance lang like this one. So ayun nga, pagpasok namin, sobrang na-enjoy ng mga kids kasi ang dami talaga na interactive simulations. So which is really good. They're also learning while having fun, right? And that's what we want for our kids, of course. So aside from these cool stuff, we also saw different kind of minerals, rocks, etc. And yung Hong Kong Science Museum, for some reason, wala ako masyadong nakikitang vlogs about it or posts about it. So, I was not expecting too much. Pero pagdating namin dito sa place, nakaka-amaze kasi sobrang lawak niya. And also, like what you see here, there are different kinds of fossils. And itong pinaka nagustuhan ng mga kids. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Jumper, hi. Picture.
daga. Ito ang ganda. Ride sa This is ka. Ito.
Hi kayo! Hi!
Yes.
Yes. Smile!
Oh, here.
Like you're flying!
Fly.
You're floating pala. Ano yun?
Different satellites. Oh my god, different planes, Trevor! Wow! Look, Trevor, oh!
Diba ang saya? So sa mga moment na to, ang dami na naming napuntahan from extinct animals, space, exploration. Actually, meron pa nga doon na space parang North Pole, South Pole, pati sea creature. Grabe, sobrang laki nito. Hindi ko na na-videoan lahat dahil nga ang lalikod ng mga kids. Kailangan namin silang tutukan. Pero ayun, and also sa pinakataas na floor, I think that's 4th floor, meron pang play area. So grabe, napakasulit, must try guys. So ayun nga, after ng Hong Kong Science Museum, nagpahinga lang kami sa hotel, bumalik kami, and then after that, we had dinner na. Nag-KFC lang kami that night kasi namimiss ng mga bata ang chicken. 'Di ba hanggang Hong Kong chicken, my God. And then bumili kami ng mga snacks for our Disney trip for tomorrow. So that's it, our first day.
A few moments later.
Good morning! O, sino ka dyan? Outfit kong outfit. Ready for Disney ang aking mga boys. So, from hotel to Disney, nag-train kami. So, you can book or you can get your octopus card via Klook. It's something na ni-research ko din bago ang Hong Kong travel namin. So, napakadali lang naman aralin ng train system nila. Hindi siya complicated. Pero yun nga, naka-2 transfers kami. Ay, actually, 3 pala. 3 transfers. And then we got here around 8 a.m. Kasi we had early pass. So, normally, nag-open ng Disney at 10 a.m. Pero for early pass holders, you get inside at 9 a.m. And ang haba ng pila nun. So, since 9 a.m. ang open for early pass, 8 pa lang nandun na kami. And ang first ride na pinuntahan namin ay ang Frozen ride, of course. Hi, baby! Trevor, hi!
Gusto mo si Trevor mula sa mga.
Travis, hi!
Dede, ka na ba? Gusto mo dede? Ha? Yes?
Bye!
Yes, sir? Hi, Travis. Hi. Hi ka. Hi.
Winter's a good time to stay in incredible top of the hill. Thanks, pal. You're making it a perfect summer snow day.
O, diba? Ang saya at nasa mood na si Trevor. Kanina wala siya sa mood eh. Pero ayun nga, hindi ako masyado nakapag-video dun sa Frozen rides na una kasi ang dilim niya. Hindi din siya makita sa GoPro. So, ayun. And then yung next, yung Winnie the Pooh rides. So, ano lang to, nakasakay lang kami dyan. And then, para lang siyang nag-storytelling with matching effects. So, na-enjoy din ng mga kids ang ride na to. And, ang saya lang kasi wala pa masyadong tao at this time. Kaya, ang bilis lang ng mga pila and all. Kaya kung gusto nyo din na hindi masyadong pumila at ma-enjoy ang mga rides as many as you can, I suggest getting an early pass and also yung Premier Access. Pero sa mga time na tayo, hindi pa namin ginagamit yung Premier Access kasi nga wala pa talaga masyadong ganun kahaba na pila. So, ayan, diba? Very enjoy mga kids. Ang dami na naming nasakyan agad. Pang 4 na yung carousel ride and it's still early in the morning. So, ayun, after the ride, ang daming snack places everywhere. So, we got their signature popcorn muna before maglibot-libot sa area. So, ang next stop namin dito ay yung Tomorrowland, which is more on Marvel theme, ganyan na rides. So sad kasi hindi open yung Iron Man experience. Sayang. Pero we got to use our Premier Access sa Ant-Man and the Wasp. Yung may baril-baril na ride. Kasi ang haba na ng pila this time. I think this was around 10 na. So bukas na yung park. Kaya nagsimula nang dumagsa yung mga tao. Hi, Travis! Baby! Baby! Trevor! Travis! Travis! My God! How many sa'yo, Travis? Oh, wow! Look at kay Mami, oh. Galing ni Mami. So, paglabas namin ng ride, nakita namin si Captain America. O, diba, ang saya. And then, dito na din, nagtingin kami ng pwedeng toy or souvenirs ng mga kids. And then, photo ops on the side. Tapos, papunta dapat kami sa scheduled Friends show. Pero nakita namin may line to see princesses. Kaya nakita namin si Princess Jasmine!
I'm enjoying your light-up shoes that you have. You must have gotten them from the marketplace in Agrabah.
Yes!
You always kind of remind me of Aladdin. Do you know Aladdin?
Yes! They know Aladdin!
Aladdin flies the magic carpet really fast. Do you think you're brave enough to fly the magic carpet?
Yeah, they're shy. Because you're so pretty, they're shy.
Hold my hand.
Hold up.
Maybe you can come on this side of me. There we go.
Hi.
Travis,
Another side.
There we go.
We love here. Yay!
Thank you so much, Jasmine. You're so pretty.
Get up for
Oh yeah. So after ng show, nag-lunch na kami. And nakita niya, we only ordered 1 serving of the kids meal and then 1 serving ng adult meal. Kasi laki ng serving, in fairness kasya na sa amin. Actually, parang sobra pa nga. And hindi din advisable na maglakad-lakad ng super busog. So, ayun. And then, this time, ang next stop namin ay ito si Moana.
去過什麼地方？
I'll be happy to share my story.
咁就好啦，我哋仲邀請咗全部嘅村民幫手講故事。
Diba? Na-enjoy naman ng mga kids ang live show ni Moana. Pero yun nga, kung pupunta kayo dito, expect nyo na yung mga shows ay hindi pure English. Because of course, we're in Hong Kong, so that's totally understandable. And by the way, I use different cameras dito. Kaya mapapansin nyo may shots ng GoPro, may shots ng iPhone, pero ayun nga, everything to really document this special moment with my family. And this time, ini-enjoy lang nila yung mga drums dyan sa gilid kasi we're on our way naman to see the Lion King show. So, pro tip nga din pala guys, kung pupunta kayo ng Hong Kong Disneyland, make sure na alam nyo yung schedule ng different live shows nila. Diba? Ang ganda din talaga ng Lion King show. Sobrang naming na-enjoy. So, nagutom ang mga kids. After that, merienda kami. And then, we went to the Grizzly Bear ride. So, napakahaba ng pila nito, guys. Alam nyo bang ang waiting time ay almost 2 hours? Pero nagamit namin ang premier access namin dito. Kaya, ang bilis lang ng mga pangyayari. So, ang kasama ko lang dito si Travis kasi hindi pwede si Trevor. Travis!
Oh my God! It's okay, hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. It's okay, Travis. Vero. It's okay, Travis. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Nak. It's okay. Travis, it's okay. Done na. Done. It's okay. It's okay.
'Di ba ang intense ng ride? Pero nag-enjoy ako and si Travis kahit umiyak siya, eventually na-realize din naman niyang nag-enjoy siya. So after namin dalawa ni Travis, si Nomer naman yung mag-isa sumakay and then ako yung nag-alaga kay Trevor. Kasi may premier pass nga kami, so ayun, gamit na gamit talaga siya. So after that, nandito na kami ngayon sa Mystic Manor, which is ang dami na ding tao. But it's okay kasi ang bilis lang ng movement ng pila dito sa Mystic Manor. So, ayun.
Yeah, I was just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. That's fine, my little friend.
Hi kayo, hi! Living! Trevor! Wow! Oh my God!
It's all amazing.
There you are. You didn't touch that music box, did you?
In fairness, na-enjoy namin yung ride na yon. Though hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video kasi ang dilim niya din. But in person, sobrang ganda ng mga effects nun. And next stop namin, dito naman sa Toy Story Land. Yes. So, pagdating namin dito sa Toy Story Land, hindi kami masyadong nakasakay ng rides kasi more on the intense side yung rides niya. Hindi pwede si Trevor and ayaw ni Travis. Kaya, sightseeing lang kami, ganun, picture-picture on the side. Nakakatuwa na din naman yung place kasi one of their favorite movies din, ang Toy Story. Diba? Nakakatuwa. So, kahit hindi kami nakasakay ng rides, nag-enjoy pa rin ng mga kids. And then at this point, nalibot na namin yung place. So, bumalik kami sa Arundel to buy the Olaf ice cream. Merienda na naman for the kids. So, syempre, dapat picture-picture din tayo dyan, diba?
Like it?
Ayun.
Pagod.
A few moments later.
So, hinayaan lang namin magpahinga si Trevor and then pagising niya, ready na siya ulit. Sumakay kami ng Dumbo at na-enjoy naman nila ang Dumbo experience. Nakita niyo ba si Trevor? Ayun no, andun sila sa kabilang plane. And then, after nitong Dumbo, pumila kami sa PhilharMagic. So, around this time, mga 4 p.m. na, and PhilharMagic, ito na yung last stop namin before staying sa Main Street for the parade. Kaya ayun, na-enjoy na din naman namin to. Actually, masaya siya.
Wow. Wait lang. Waiting for parade.
So, while we're waiting for the parade, bumili muna ako ng snacks. So, I got the Mickey pancake and dito sa Starbucks nila. Ayun, ang haba ng pila, 'di ba? Kahit kayo na ng haba ng pila, so mag-ready na kayo if ever bet nyo ding pumunta dito, ha? And ayun nga, ang ganda nung napagstayan namin na place while we're waiting for the parade. So, take note of this if gusto nyo din ng magandang spot for your next Hong Kong Disneyland visit.
Trevor, hi!
Anong araw?
few moments later.
Grabe, ang saya ng parade. Na-enjoy namin. I love it. Nag-overheat lang yung GoPro pagdating dun sa princesses. Buti na lang na videohan namin ng phone. And nandito na kami waiting for the Momentos. Maganda makapag-secure kayo ng spot dito. At dito na lang kami nag-wait na up until the time of the show. So si Nomer bumibili ng pagkain somewhere. Pero ayun.
Welcome, one and all. It's time for the most magical party of all. To make it sparkle, grand and bright, Mickey needs magic and friends tonight. Ready? Party? Go!
O, diba? Sumakses sa Disneyland. Thank you guys for watching our Hong Kong Day 1 and Day 2. Bye!